I was struggling with this axle to get these off. And what I found is that you have to bend, you have to somehow bend this part because it looks like it looks like this, or let's see, looks like this, and it goes up flush against this part where you have to bend it. Somehow get a screwdriver and bend it in there, mangle this and bend it, and then you can get your pry bar behind it, and then you can pry it out of there, and it comes out easier. It's the only way that I've been able to get this out, and this is my first time doing it. So this piece, it bends. It looks like this, brand new, but yet you can bend it. It looks like it's, from the outside, it rubs up flush against the wall of the transmission, and it looks like one piece, but you can bend it like I bent it here, and then you can stick your pry bar behind it and then pull it out. And it's way easier because it looks like you can't get in there, but all you have to do is bend this thing and then get your pry bar behind there and then pry as hard as you can, and then it'll pop out. And if it doesn't pop out, you got to turn this wheel. You can turn the wheel to the point where the other guy in the video said this clit, the opening, has to be in the 12 o'clock position, and it's easier for it to come out or go in. If it's on its side, this thing sticks out, it makes it hard for it to come out. It latches onto something. But if it's on top, it falls, and it's easier for it to slide in and out.